Yeah, the problem I've got is I've got water collecting up on this brick paving. I've got a storm water pipe that runs underneath there. I need to put a drain in, but the only problem is I don't want to have to rip up all this paving just to put a T-piece in, and there'll be a large area that I'd have to end up taking apart and lifting the pipes up, putting the T-piece in, putting the upright pipe in for a drain. So I'm doing it a bit of an easy way. I'll just show you how. All I've done is just lifted up a few brick pavers so I can get to the stormwater pipe. And what I've done is I've got a bit of pipe and just use a piece of pipe as a template to then just fold it down so I get that nice curvature. If I had it as a straight pipe, you could imagine that it would go inside of that, and to get it all in there, that would actually cause like a part blockage, I suppose. So you're putting a concave in, it'll only go in about 5-10 mil, and that would allow easy flow into the pipe for any other debris that might flow from the other drains. Down here I've used it onto there, placed it on over the pipe, drawn a template around it, and then I've used I don't know what these things are called, but yeah, they basically just ream out holes and stuff like that in steel. So I've used that to slowly dig it out until I get the nice hole that I need so it can fit in quite nicely. And as you can see, as it would sit in there, the water, it'll only come in there 5-10 mil, and the water will be able to flow through the main pipe, no problems. Yeah, so what I'm going to do originally is, to start off with, is put a bit of primer around there. I sanded this area, sanded that area. I'm going to use a bit of glue, a bit of PVC solvent glue, just to start off with. What I'll end up using is a bit of a epoxy around it as well, just to shore it up a bit better, because it isn't a super tight fit. So this will just get it started anyway. Getting in place. A nice tight fit is the best. The less gaps you got, the better. Okay, and I've had that measured up and everything, so when I put it on there, you get your brick paving, you get your level. Lift it up to the required depth so it's nice and level with your brick paving. Okay, and square it off with your brick paving. And like I said, I'll put a bit of epoxy around there as well, around that lip, just to make sure there's no leakage of any sand or anything like that. Then it's just a matter of placing your brick paving back, cutting them to suit around this square here, and that should do the job. You can actually fill this in with a bit of concrete as well if you wanted to, just to give it a bit more support if it's got a bit of heavy traffic. But yeah, that's just a lot easier than having to dig up a large section, pull your pipe out, put a T-piece in. Yeah, I hope this helps someone.